guys, so this is my plan today for a triangular part rope twist. Just freshly blow dried our hair and preparing the hair for sectioning. So this is the beginning. Please stay tuned, and as I go along I'll show you guys what I am doing and how I achieve this beautiful triangular part rope twist. So guys, this is where we're at, and we're working on the jumbo twist triangular parts. See how nicely done that is? So we're working on them. So yes guys, this is where I'm at. So I'm actually almost finished. Don't you just love these twists? And yes, it's twisted from the root. See that? See how nicely done that is? So stay tuned and continue to watch my videos. And if you would like to see me doing my work, doing all these twists and cornrows and plaits and weave on and stuff like those, then please leave a comment in the comment section, and please remember to like, share and subscribe, and continue to watch my videos. So guys, look at this is a grand finale. So I'm trimming, gonna hot water now, and yes, this is my final look. Final look.